With regular use of your Luxe Brewer, it's essential to perform a descale to keep it up and running. We recommend descaling your machine often, but when your LCD shows the descale icon, a descale cycle is needed. The process will take around 30 minutes to complete. Let's do it together now. In the settings menu, rotate the dial to highlight the descale icon. When the descale icon is highlighted, press the dial once to select. Make sure the filter is removed before adding the descale solution. When the LCD displays fill the water tank to the descale marker line with clean water up to 1,000 milliliters. Place the descale solution in the water tank. Make sure the basket and carafe are in place and the lid is on correctly. Press the dial once and the LCD will begin counting down and the descale cycle will commence. You should know that once the descaling process has begun, you cannot stop it mid-cycle. Should you need to force stop the process for any reason, hold the start button for 3 seconds or unplug the cord from the power outlet. Once the machine has run through the descale solution, the display will flash fill with 7 minutes left on the countdown timer. Fill the tank with fresh, clean water to the descale line so it can continue with the rinse cycle. Be sure to empty and rinse both the tank and carafe first. After the rinse cycle is complete, give it another quick clean and reinsert the water filter. And now you're all set to brew that quality cup.